This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning basic terminology that comes up when getting involved in the markets, along with trading advice or tips and viewing live day trades, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm currently watching Facebook this morning. We have a gap down, so I'm just going to wait to see how the price action unfolds and look for a potential setup. I am now in the trade. I bought 18 put contracts at an average price of $32.08, and I'm looking for a quick scalp trade here. Let's see if the price of Facebook can continue lower. So I've already started scaling out of the position here. I'm going to be very aggressive this morning. Again, I'm just looking for a quick scalp trade, and we are approaching the low of day here, so I'm going to go ahead and exit out of the position here. Again, I'm going to be very aggressive with my profit taking. I have 5 contracts left. And I am all out of the trade for $220, so not a bad quick scalp trade. And you can see that the price is beginning to bounce a little bit here. I hope you enjoyed this short live trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.